Let's see how to fix missing features on TikTok in this quick tutorial. Welcome back to another quick video, everyone. If you're missing features on TikTok or your app looks outdated compared to what you see online, whether certain options disappeared from your settings, new effects aren't showing up, or your TikTok just doesn't look the same as other people's accounts, then watch this video until the end to learn how to fix just that. The process is absolutely the same for both iOS and Android devices. The very first step that we will do is to head over to the App Store if you're on iPhone or the Google Play Store if you're on Android. Now we want to search for TikTok in the search bar, and once you find the app, check if there's an update button available. If you see an update button next to TikTok, just tap on it right away and let the app finish updating to the newest version. Many times features go missing simply because you're running an older version of TikTok, and updating fixes these issues immediately while also giving you access to all the newest tools and effects that TikTok has released. Now, if updating didn't solve the problem or there wasn't an update available in the first place, we'll have to dig a little deeper. Exit the App Store and open your Settings app on your device. From here, you'll need to tap on General and then tap on iPhone Storage. Once you're in this menu, scroll down until you find TikTok, and then tap on it. What we're going to do here is clear out all the temporary files and cached data that might be causing problems. You'll see an option that says Offload Apps, so tap on that. This process removes all the junk files that build up over time and can sometimes prevent TikTok from displaying new features correctly. After the app offloads, simply tap on Reinstall App right below. Don't worry. This won't delete your login information or passwords. It will just refresh the app and update it to the latest version. Once TikTok finishes reinstalling, open the app and check if the features you were looking for have appeared. Most of the time, this reinstall method works perfectly and brings back everything that was missing. However, if you've tried both of these steps and the feature still isn't there, then this usually means the feature you're looking for isn't available in your country or region yet. TikTok doesn't roll out new features to everyone at the same time, and some accounts get access weeks or even months earlier than others. This isn't something you did wrong, and it doesn't mean your account is broken. It's just how TikTok tests and releases new updates. In this case, the only real fix is to keep your app updated and wait until the feature becomes available for your region. If you want more TikTok tutorial videos and similar things, make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell.